Gooseberry Park. Hey everybody, it's Mark the Lost Traveler, and we're ready to travel. And I have my SIM card in. Hopefully this one works. Here to the right, you just all in. Well, here's the trailhead here. This is brown begin, green easy, blue more difficult, and black most difficult. So here we go. Let's jump right off the bat here. Or not. I guess we'll find out here shortly. Big ruts. Hope this wasn't the difficult one. If it is, well, we're just gonna have to figure it out, I guess. Right along the water bank here. Not sure what river that is. I think we went this way. Or we may just cut through paths all over the place here. Trail. Got a feature there. Probably could have gone over that. Once you cross this bridge here, you go from Minnesota to North Dakota. So now we are in North Dakota. Hey, excuse me, bud. Are we on the North Dakota side?
Yeah.
Oh, it is. Okay, thanks. I just wanted to verify that. Yeah, we're in North Dakota. That looks. There we go. Prawns. There's beautiful flowers here. American Legion Memorial Fountain. Here's a memorial of Roger Maris, a North Dakota native. Roger Maris record 61 home runs back in 1961. You can't see it too well, but back in 1950 he played football for Fargo High School, and he was an all-state athlete. And he played basketball. In 1950 he was in the Fargo American Legion. 1952 Fargo, North Dakota Moorhead Chicks. He was the most valuable player in 1953 for that team. He played for Indianapolis in 56, Cleveland Indians in 57, and 58 and Kansas City athletes. Started with the New York Yankees in 1960 and then ended the St. Louis Cardinals back in 1968. Alright, it's time to go back to Minnesota. Right down this hill. Alright, it's back across the bridge. Back in Minnesota. Take off to the right here. Right there. I don't know if you saw that. There's the feature right there. I think we're going to try it now. Yes. Wasn't pretty, but I did it. Again. Wide open in here. Take your pick. There's all kinds of things to do in here. There's a couple features in there. Another enjoyable, easy ride for me, because like I say, in all my videos, beginner, easy, and maybe somewhat intermediate. There was a few technical spots on there, but I even tried those and did it. Plus, where else can you bike from Minnesota to South Dakota and then back again? That was pretty cool. I don't think there's anywhere else you can do that. And on that note, traveler out.